บายดีทุกคนเนอะวันนี้มาเที่ยวมาลินพาดีงานนั่นเบบี้ชาวเวอร์มาแต่เว้นเนี่ยคนบอลไหลเลยน้ำจอกฮัลโหลฮัลโหลสบายดีได้ไหมสบายดีได้ไหม
สบายดีเลยสบายดีมาพอดีมาเจอเบอร์นี้หมูแรกที่สโน่อะ
สองตู้ตามเคย
ซ้ำดูตามเกิดดูกินแต่ว่าดีดูเขากินว่าดีเวลาเราอาหารกันอย่างต่าง
กินยังไงนี่
แหนมทานอาหารคนหลาย
ก็เบิ่งอาหารมันมีอย่างแน่มาเลยใส่กรอกกินแล้วอันนี้เจ้าภาพไก่ยอนะลงวิดีโอเด้อสบายดีมาเดินกินอาหารสิ้นแห้งอันนี้เป็นแหนมตำบักหุ่งนี่หัวเขาลาบหัวมีอาหารกันหลายอยู่แล้วเจ้าก็นั่ง2 คนมาเนี่ย
บ่มีบ่ได้นั่งน้ำ
โอ้
บ่มีบ่ได้นั่งน้ำเขาอยากให้ซื้อเราให้กินเขาแล้วบ่ให้
เมสบอกสวัสดีคนเริ่มหลายเติมแล้ววันนี้เริ่มมาแล้วเต็มโต๊ะแล้วสบายดีเนี่ยสบายดีเด้อพวกเมสเซียลทั้งหลายยกนิ้วใส่เฮ้ยตู้นี่เป็นยังไงตู้นี่สบายดีเด้อสบายดียกตำเฮ้ยคนกันหลายอยู่จะเด็กน้อยส่วนหลายงานเด็กน้อยเด้งานเบบี้ชาวเวอร์เบบี้ชาวเวอร์นี่ภาษาลาวสิว่าอย่างไรวะ เ นี่เด้เจ้าภาพนี่พูดร้องง่ายๆเจ้าภาพนี่เจ้าภาพนี่สบายดีเจ้าภาพลูกสาวอันนี้ลูกเจ้าภาพนี่เป็นลูกสาว
sorry
เอาก้อนลำวงแล้วโอ้ยมวนพี่น้องมวนบ่เฮ้ยมวนบ่โก้มวนมวนบางทีอยู่กวดเบียร์เต็ม มีแต่เบียร์
เราไม่ได้รถ
ไปแล้ว พี่น้อง นั่ง
Check, check.
เขาไปให้นั่งเด้บ่
We can get some kids.
อะไร
Hey, yo, B, where you at? Oh, the adults want to play musical chairs right now. I guess we're going to do the adults first, Big. I don't know.
เพราะว่าผู้เฒ่าไปจากนั่น
You guys want to do the adult first or the kids? I have to pull out a chair? Okay.
เด็กน้อยลินเกม
Sorry, I'm gonna take your chair.
เบิ่งเด็กน้อยเขาสิลินเกมแต่เกมหยังแล้วบ่ฮู้แต่ว่า
You guys ready? You guys ready? Let's go. Oh! Hey, you gotta go around the chair, not outside the chair. Come on, baby. Take your finger out your mouth, baby. Come on, let me see some hips. Let me see some hips. Shake that booty. Come on, shake that little booty. You got some pretty stiff. These some stiff babies. Sorry, kid. Hey, another rule. There's no crying. All right? There's no crying. You guys cry during the game, immediate elimination. All right? There's no crying in the game.
Crank that song, now I mean you. Crank that song, now I mean you. Crank that song, now I mean you. Crank that song, now what? Soldier boy, I been it. Why me cranking? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? The Superman now. Now I mean you. Crank that song, 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 now I mean you. Soldier boy, been it. Why me lean that? Why me roll? Superman now.
Oh! Hey, man, you two. See? Fist bump. Oh, my grandbaby. That's my grandbaby. That's my grandbaby. Papa got you something. Don't worry.
That's okay. Go Kingsley, go.
Look at that cool kid with a leg in the chair. Alright. Hey, man, get up.
When I do that soldier boy, I need to lift and crank that thing down. I'm jacking on no jacking on you get the fight, then don't come. You catch me at your local party, yes I crank it every day. Haters get mad cause I got me some baby baby. Soldier boy, I been it up. I be cranking, why me roll? I be crank that soldier boy, that Superman that up.
นั่งโอ้ยเอ้าเฮ้ยนี่มันบ่
You just said you got another chance. You got another chance, kid. Lucky I know your dad. I know you gotta get up. Let me get your chair. Can I get your chair? But you're still in the game. You're still in the game. Let me get your chair. You're good. Don't worry about it. I know your dad.
โอ้
Two kids got eliminated for crying during the session. So automatic out. That was T's kids. Cry like his dad.
บ่ยอม
Still a game. You still a game.
เนาะบ่ได้บ่มีตังค์เลยเด้บ่มีตังค์เลยเด้
6 คน 5
โอ้ยแม่นอน
You ready? You ready? I see you. You know what? You're the only girl here? Oh, there's another one. You got competition, girl. You got some competition there. You've been doing this, right? For 11 years? Wow. Your dad taught you this? Your mom? Yourself. Okay, good. You do jujitsu, right? Karate? So there's no punching and kicking at this.
So tell me what to do now, 'cause I want you back.
Woo! Come on. Shake some little hips. Come on.
Just wanna say I'm sorry.
Oh.
โอ้บ๊ายบาย
Can I get your chair, sir? I know your dad too. Watch out. You guys ready? You guys ready? Come on.
Wait.
What's going on here? Was this a flag on this play?
I think it's Thai. Thai. Thai Kim.
Alright, let's do a run. Let's do a replay. Come on.
Replay, Thai.
Let's do a replay.
What happened?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little Sonny. Can I get this chair, little man? You win. Don't worry about it. No, you win. You still win. I know you're dad. You guys ready? And you know karate, all right? I know your dad too. He do mixed martial arts in his basement. I know him. All right. You guys ready? Let's go. Come on, move them hips. Is that little Roger? Sorry, little Roger. You did a good job. Your dad's still proud of you. Hey, maybe you could be a drummer? You guys ready? You guys ready? You sure? Let's go. Moonwalk. Come on, man. This is Michael Jackson. Let's go. Moonwalk. Whoa. Okay, you got the glide. I see you, little man. Okay.
Wait.
That was suspect. Can we get one more time, Jay? They have half a butt on each side, so I don't know. Let's do one more time.
I think it's smoker. No. That's it.
So four? Rock, paper, scissors? No. Alright, we gonna take one chair, alright? Oh, this is gonna get interesting now. Hey, no half butts, alright? Hey, boys, gotta get up, man, gotta get up. Oh, no, I started too early. Sorry, I started too early. That was just a demo. That was practice, right? Alright, boy, you can get up a little bit. Alright, no stiff arm, no karate chop, no chop suey. Okay, let's get it. You guys ready? Let's go. Yes, team girl. Come on, let's go.
Oh, let's go. Oh, I think it's tight. Oh, baby.
She got tired.
Oh, sorry, baby.
Alright, let's go again. Let's go again. It's okay. We do one more. You guys get up a little bit. We know your dad. Your dad's here. I think they're tired. You guys tired? There's money to be made, man. You can't be tired. Oh, you're not tired. You're not tired. You're not tired. You're good, right? Good to go. All right. You guys ready? Go. Damn, man, that was my dude. That was my dude too, man. I would cheer for you. I got something for you later, man. Put too much move, man.
He's got to sit down.
You went too fast. It's like off beat. You bent over. This is it. Hey, I ain't gonna say nothing. You want a karate chop or anything? Just go for it, alright? Kick him in the chin.
You start to freeze, and so it looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is feel alive, and no one's gonna save you from being the construct. You know it's feel alive. You're fighting for your life inside of
You ready? You ready? You ready?
Oh.
First place and second place. Winners. You got some Amazon. You got Amazon for $50, all right? Don't let your mom or your dad see this, all right? Because especially your mom. You want this one? Here you go. A Target. Yeah, give it up for them. All right, now let's get เ
หายโศกเศร้าบนหาองค์เสนเมืองเก่าให้คู่เมืองลาวไปกาลนาน
ผมก็กลับบ้านแล้วเลย
Que gritan y publican en la prensa que sufrimos de demencia, que nos ponen de cabeza, aunque quieran separarnos sin razón, que quieran interponerse entre tú y yo. Seremos protagonistas, sin que nadie nos dirija nuestro amor. No es una novela, no es una novela. Este amor corre por las venas, no, 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 no es una novela. Este amor es fuerte y se queda. Yo siento aquí en mi pecho, yo siento aquí en el alma. No hace falta que dirijan esta historia de los dos. Viejo, sientes un momento, escuchando el viento.
โอ้ยเห็นยังอ่ะลง YouTube ได้ YouTube
Es la misma maldita mujer, la que viste y casa de pies, la que viene con la caricia de piel, y obviamente lo mismo es usted. Mi muestra no tiene sentido, estás muy confundido, esa mujer es mía, además a otras veces la presiento, pero muy bien te entiendo, de ti acepto una equivocación. La conozco bastante, no sé, no le creo capaz de que me sea infiel.